guys, ngayibona ngani Maki here, the one and only Shopper Queen. So today guys, ngifuna kuniflaka a special my ladies. So guys, Orange Yellow Beauty School ifuna kuntrainisa mahala. When my nails, when the makeup, when the eyelashes, my lashes, when the wig installation for free. Indolo yenda gonje upatara 1.80 for e-registration. So bayo beba khona around Mpumalanga, Gauteng. So when indolo kumele uyende kuthi uthathe inamba uregister. For 4 weeks guys, uyoba ufunza 4 courses. Mahala ha. Kan futhi tindzaba leti mnanzi kuthi uyathola certificate, uyagraduate. And then lokunye awukhami ngine kit. I-kit uyofika uthole eclassini. I-kit lo yoyisebenzisa. So when you can't just stay at home, you can be a boss lady. So all you have to do is take their number, give them a WhatsApp, and secure your space because good guys. So lendo lenkhuluma ngayo guys, iyoba iyendeka ngoMarch. Cabanga 14 my nails, my lashes, for my lashes, and then wig installation plus makeup. Cabanga nje ukuthi naqeda kufunza laphana ukuthi ungavula something yakho salon. You can be a boss lady. You can even train other people, you understand. So ladies, ningaleke lethuba leli njengoba nginiplaka ngicela ukuthi nithathe le number ba WhatsApp ngayiphane ngani plus accommodation ikhona. And kuya ngawo ukuthi wena usene express they will come there. So make sure that you bring your friend nibambe le space. Ngayiphane ngani, love you.